Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Very exciting week. I think the first week everyone's been back to work here in Central Eastern Europe. So good to see, just about looking at the number of emails coming in every day. It seems like most people are back in the office. So good to see them. And a lot happening with our events coming up. We have our CEE Retail Awards, which is coming up in, less than a month already. So February 9th, and jury dinner's on the 8th. So a lot going on. A lot of nominations. I saw our Mihao, our nomination manager in there frantically working, getting it all together. So I imagine a lot coming out. Yeah.
Yeah. We're at deadline now, so most of the nominations are in. But if anybody's still, the jury is actually voting right now, so still time to get those nominations in. Last chance.
Yeah, get them in, and very exciting stuff. So, we'll talk a little bit more about retail, a lot about ESG coming up as well. We've got a big ESG presentation and intro during the retail awards and during the conference in the morning. So something we all want you to come for. I think a lot, retail is quite exposed to ESG and saving energy, and they're using a lot of lighting and heating and cooling and everything. So
can't see how they're going to avoid it, to be honest.
So they're still going to have to use a lot of it, exactly. But I guess, about using it more conservatively, because the bills are coming. So let's take a little break, and we'll jump right back in with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, and today's news. So welcome back, and Winston, great to see you here on our last day of the week.
Yeah. Okay, Craig.
A lot going on, and very exciting. Very exciting weather. I guess we'll have a little bit more of gray, and the sun did come out yesterday for a couple hours, which was quite unusual for Poland.
It's a bit darker and grayer today, so I'm hoping it to be a better weekend.
It's like back to home. Yeah. So tell us what's going on in the news today.
Yeah, so from the website today, we have there's some news from 7R that they've sold a warehouse, 7R Park Poznan East 2 to DWS Group. And this is a fully leased warehouse in the Poznan area, and it's got a GLA of 51,000 square meters. And according to Jakub Budic, he's the senior transaction manager at Capital Markets at 7R, we highly value sustainable transport offered to the location as one of the most important elements of our ESG strategy. So, and following up with that, Marek Jakubiak, the head of CEE at DWS, he says DWS is pleased with the addition of this asset in an established logistics market with strong fundamentals, benefiting from a diverse tenant base and being resilient to economic cycles. Yeah, so it's they've picked themselves up a good, strong project there, it seems.
Sounds like it, and good partners.
Good partners, that's right. And moving on and staying in the industrial warehouse field, and some more news from Accolade. They've received a 129 million loan from Helaba. This is refinancing of 5 industrial parks in Poland. And this is for a 5-year period. And this is the first transaction between the parties. And according to Thomas Prochaka, he's the CFO of Accolade Group, financing with our new partner Helaba places confidence in our operations is here yet another positive verification. We are very excited that we've secured this deal. And Martin Erber, head of real estate finance at Helaba, he follows up. Accolade is one of the major key players in the logistics sector in CEE, and meanwhile expanding its operations to Western Europe as well. And staying in Poland and on the ESG field, and Glamco is the first real estate company in Poland to join the International Science-Based Targets SBT initiative, which supports the most ambitious businesses in their fight against global warming in the compliance with the Paris Agreement. And this is yet another sign of Glamco's ambitious ESG strategy. And this developer is taking it very seriously.
Yeah, always cutting edge.
Always cutting edge. And finally for today, Sven de Bont has been appointed as the COO of Aldides. This is the Gent-based Belgian property developer, which has a large portfolio in Belgium and Poland.
Okay.
And they've got a hybrid strategy in the two countries, which is mainly focusing on residential property and office developments. And they've got projects in the pipeline in Belgium and Poland, which is expected to generate around more than 900 million euros. And that covers around 2,600 residential units and approximately 100,000 square meters of office space located all across Belgium and Poland.
Wow, a lot of residential.
A lot of residential, yeah.
Still strong market.
Seems to be, yeah. Office and residential probably are two of the strongest markets, I would imagine.
Right. Well, great. Thanks a lot. And that sounds like a great way to wrap up the week. And we hope everyone has a fantastic weekend. And we will see you Monday morning with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show. And don't forget to share it with your friends.